am from Government Degree College, Autonomous Rajmahendra. Department of Biotechnology, Seminar Zoology, topic Migration in Birds. Myself, VC Disha, BSc Biotechnology, Honors, second year, third semester. Migration in birds. Contents are introduction. Why birds need to migrate? Why tigers migration? Parents of migration. Types of migration. Migratory adaptations in birds. Advantages and disadvantages of migration. Conclusion reference. Introduction. Birds migration is the regular seasonal movements of the north and south along a flyway between breeding and wintering grounds. The path followed is known as flyway. Directed from Arctic to Antarctic and vice versa. Wide ancient activity protected by birds. Recorded was Verne as 3000 years ago by ancient Greek mentors, including Harmony and Aristotle. Migration, it is a collective term of immigration and emigration. Immigration occurs when new individuals are inducted. It results in the increasing in population size. Emigration is when includes leave a population. It results the decreasing in the population size. Why birds need to migrate? Birds need to migrate for food, shelter, reproduction, predator avoidance, to avoid climate extremes. What tigers migration? Species specific physiological conditions. The photoperiod. Congal development. Increasing day length. Changes in food supply. Lowering temperature. Patterns of migration. The old birds that have traveled many times to their life from the front line. Then come the young ones travels from the first line. Next are the females. Injured and old birds are present in the backside. Birds tend to fly in flocks rather than the fly alone. More obtuse pattern in V shape. It helps to save energy and provides max speed. Types of migrations, they are distance based. Long distance migrations. Long distance traveled non-stop journey. Energy is met by stored fat. Short distance migration. Short distance is traveled. Journey starts from and ends at the dusk. Birds feed during the stop. How birds find the flyway? Sun compressed. The sunrise is the east, overheaded at noon, set in the west. Celestial cusp. Angle between the North Star and horizon decreases towards the equator. Magnetic compasses. Birds orient themselves by using east magnetic field. Types of migration. Seasonal migration is predictable based on seasonal changes. Latitudinal. This migration is between area difference latitudes from north to south and vice versa. Longitudinal movements between different longitudes from east to west or west to east. Altitudinal birds that breed in tall mountains often exhibit Altitudinal migrations. Low birds that follows an annual circular or lobe migration. Nomadic movements is less predictable and can be erratic depending on available food and water resources. Migrations that brings large number of birds into universal areas, most often in winter. Dispersal. Juvenile birds are forced away from their hunting grounds and must seek out their own territories as their parents continues to use the same range. A leapfrog and skip migration is a unique pattern where a northern population will migrate a greater distance to skip over a terrestrial population of same species. Molt. Some birds migrate only to accommodate their annual molting periods. Mechanics of migration. Long distance migration stores fat 50% for their body weight. Some species start journey early and stop frequently to feed and rest. In clear weather, birds fly at altitude 10 meters, 1000 meters. It helps them to prevent streak with any obstacle. Many birds have specific migration patterns or routes. Disadvantages of migrations. Many young are not able to reach the destination because they die during the course of the continuously and tertiary journey. Suddenly change in the climate such as storms and hurricanes, strong current of wind, fog or the causes further death of the sizable number of migrations. Sometimes man-made heat thrown and lighthouses causes the death of migration birds. Man themselves are responsible for the death of the migrations. They shoot at these poor birds just for their own leisure and amusement. Advantages of birds migration. Migration provides birds with new environment, provides them with greater supply of food. They are provided with shelter and terrestrial, better steward environment, avoidance from the predators, reproductive success as more offsprings and produce. In this way, they face different environmental conditions and can meet the needs of their young ones more effectively. Moreover, their survival changes occurs more by an evolutions. What we can do for migration birds: eliminates the poison of your heart, protect, restore, and create habitats. Help migratory birds in your own herd. Provide them food sources, provide them water sources, provide shelter, either natural or artificial. Finally, conclusion is birds' migration to survive. Migration plays important role in their evolution. Several climatic factors triggers the process of migration. Migration is not always advantageous. Birds have adapted themselves from migrations either short or long distances Not all the birds migrate, but some of the individuals of a population migrates. For the more information, we refer in below the books. Thank you for listening this video.